Hey, entrepreneurs and business owners. Are you feeling overwhelmed with the details of running a business? Well, Elite Professionals USA, we're your in house business advocate. Overwhelmed? Let Elite Professionals cut through the red tape for you. We'll handle the setup, paperwork, and details of operations so you can focus at what you're truly excel at, working on your business. If you're still figuring out the ropes of being a business owner, Elite Professional has you covered. Our small business education zeroes in on the pillars of business ownership, structure, operations, and strategies. Our master framework for entrepreneurs, where we don't just give you theory, we offer you hands-on training to help you excel as the leader your business deserves. We offer a free business blueprint that's a straightforward plan for those newcomers that really just need to know what to do. If you're craving inspiration or lacking direction, don't settle for generic advice. We revolutionize your approach with tailor made guidance to handle your business challenges head on. Elite Professionals USA is not just a service provider, we're your dedicated business partner. With our support, resources, and community, you're equipped for success. So, what are you waiting for now?